Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to change the background color your page in Power BI. To do that, click on View icon at the top of your Canvas ribbon, and then select the Customize Current Theme option. Then Customize Theme window will pop up. Then go to Page, and I will select the color red for my page. And then click on Apply. Now we have changed the color of our page. If you want to learn to create an awesome-looking dashboard like this in less than 20 minutes, then click on the link above or click on the end screen video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates. Also, don't forget to check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.